To assemble the gantry, simply place the footplate on the floor in the approximate position you expect to use them, and insert the support post, ensuring that telescopic extensions are attracted to the lowest position using the blue latch. Then secure the leg to the footplate with the supplied star handle. Lift the track section into place, retracting or extending it as required, and slot it onto the locating pins at the top of each support post, then secure it in place by tightening the 4-star handles. Push the track section upwards to the desired height and adjust by pressing the safety latches so that the same height settings are shown on each of the support posts. Push the safety pins through the holes above the latches and secure using the linch pin. Finally, adjust the level adjusters on the footplates to ensure the gantry is stable. You are now ready to attach a suitable portable lift to the track trolley. The Mackworth lift is shown here used in portable mode, which is possible to transfer the lift between multiple ceiling or gantry track systems, without the need to lift it using the shelf trolley and the supplied quick-release system reacher bar. By using the Mackworth portable lift in this way, it's possible to make significant cost savings when compared to multiple fixed installations. For full instructions on attaching and using a portable Mackworth lift, please visit www.mackworthusa.com or call us at 314-889-1000.